30 is the recommended speed. Try to stay in between the lines and try to follow the speed limit. If you will go a little bit up, that's fine here, as long as you have a good control on the car. And once your car will be straight, you have to make sure that you will hit 100 and you will do the merging at 100. So we always drive as per the road condition, weather condition, and traffic flow. So speed up quick. The traffic flow is very good. Speed up quick. Try to speed up as soon as possible. Don't do the merging at 90. Make sure that hit 100 and then you will do the merging. Very good. Perfect. Now we're going to do the lane changes on highway. So you have to make sure that you will follow the same pattern. You will check your rear view mirror. You will give signal. You will check your blind spot, and then you will do the lane change. Take your time. Do it when it's safe to do so. If you feel that it's not safe to do, don't try to attempt. So take your time, check properly, and then do it. Your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot, and go. Yeah, very nice. Excellent. So try to speed up as soon as you can, okay? Don't wait for the last minute to speed up. Do the lane change to the left. And try to look far, as I told you. If you will look far, you can see what's happening. You can see the road marking, you can see the road signs, and you can take a decision accordingly. But if you will not look far, it's going to be always hard for you to drive, okay? So try to look far. And whenever we drive on highway, we try to keep 5 to 6 car distance. Continue driving straight. Check your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. I want to see your head movement, not your eye movement. So make sure that you will move your head, not your eyes. Keep good distance from the vehicle in front of you. So if required, you will apply a brake as well. Do the lane change to the left when it's safe to do so. So you can check in your rear view mirror, there is a truck coming up, right?
Yeah.
And he's coming fast. Don't block his way. Cancel your signal. Don't take risk. Okay? If you notice that somebody is coming fast, don't block their way. Okay? Let them go, and then you can do the lane change. Okay? So how I got to know that? Because I was checking my rear view mirror. If you know how to check your rear view mirror properly, the lane change is going to be very easy for you. So make sure that you will keep eye on your rear view mirror. Okay? Yeah, do the lane change to the left when it's safe to do so. Take your time, don't get panicked, take your time. When it's safe to do, then you're going to do it. And don't reduce your speed. Now you can see we have so much gap from the vehicle in front of us. Yeah, give signal. Check your blind spot. And do the lane change when it's safe to do so. Yeah, very nice. Excellent. Very good. So come in your lane first and then cancel your signal. Okay? Don't cancel your signal on halfway. So come in your lane first and then you will cancel your signal. Do the lane change to the left when it's safe to do. Yeah, perfect. So don't reduce your speed in this lane because we are in a passing lane. So we don't drive slow in this lane because we are using this lane to pass other vehicles. Because these guys on the right hand side, they're moving slow and we want to pass them. So we cannot reduce the speed in this lane. If you want to drive slow, you have to drive on a right side lane. When you decide to pass somebody, so you have to go to the left lane and then you have to pass them and you have to come back to the right lane. Do the lane change to the left when it's safe to do. Very nice. Do the lane change to the left again.
Left?
Yeah. Very nice. Excellent. Perfect. Always keep eye to the vehicles in front of you as well on highway, especially because when you're looking onto your blind spot, might be they're braking. So keep eye on them. Okay. Try to look far, okay? Do the lane change to the right when it's safe to do. So now you have to make a decision. There is a vehicle on right hand side. Either you will speed up a little bit and you will come in front of him, or you will reduce your speed and you will go behind of him. So you have to make a decision and then you're gonna do the lane change accordingly, okay? So do the lane change to the right. So if you want to slow down, you have to make sure that you will give signal so that people can see that why you're slowing down. Because if you will slow down without any reason, people gonna get panic and they will start honking. Okay, so keep eye on this thing. And before brake, make sure that you will check your rear view mirror. The best way to slow down your car is that leave the gas pedal. Don't touch the brake until unless it's required. So leave the gas pedal, your speed gonna go down, and then you can do the lane change if you want to reduce your speed. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, do the lane change to the right when it's safe to do. So take your time. A lot of people, they get panicked during their test and they make a mistake. So always try to keep a good distance so that you can do a good lane change. Yeah, very nice. If you have a good distance from the vehicle in front of you, you can make a very good lane change. Now you can speed up. Now you can speed up. Yeah, do the lane change to the right again. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. So when you check your blind spot, don't move your hands. Move your chin to your shoulder. First check to your blind spot and then you're gonna move your hands. Okay? Continue driving straight. Any questions so far? We'll take exit here. So once you approach to this V point, leave the no braking.
Okay.
Leave the gas pedal. Let your car slow down by itself, okay? Do the lane change to the left.
Left?
Yeah. Stay in same lane and we will go left.
Okay.
Stay in same lane, stay in between the lines. Traffic light, we will go left. Yeah, so whenever you're able to see the road marking, you must give signal. 1 car distance. Try to maintain 1 car distance. Okay, you're following too close. Make sure that you will keep 1 car distance. Any question? So I'm gonna take you to the highway again. Okay? So we're gonna do the multiple lane changes again. If you have any question, let me know.